Hello, I'm Rashmika Dayanati and I have Mughal Pranav as my teammate, and we work together on this database driven web application for managing home cleaning services for a contractor, Anna Johnson. We collaboratively designed the database schema and ER diagram, implemented a full client contractor workflow, and developed the analytics dashboard required for the project. And in this video, we'll demonstrate the system functionality, database design, and how our implementation satisfies all the project requirements. And goal of this project is to develop or like build a complete database driven platform that supports entire workflow of cleaning service and business, starting from client registration all the way to service request, quote negotiation, order creation, billing, and payment. So in this system, clients can register, submit service requests, upload photos, and communicate with Anna during court negotiation process. Anna can review each request, provide codes, reject requests when necessary, and finalize the service orders. After a cleaning job is completed, like the system generate bills, and the client can either pay immediately or dispute the bill, which triggers another negotiation cycle. So here every code and every bill response is stored in the database to support the transparency and dispute resolution. And like I also have a Mogul Pranav here to take along.
Yeah, and along with implementing the main workflow, our project also includes analytical dashboard features for ANA, such as like identifying frequent clients and uncommitted clients, prospective clients, overdue bills, and the largest completed jobs. And also, overall, this project demonstrates the design of full stack root system, starting from the ER diagram and a relational schema, moving into database implementation and finally building a functional web interface that performs all operations without direct SQL execution, and it showcases how a real world service business can be supported end to end using a well designed database system. So
So for home cleaning services website, like for the contractor Anna Johnson, we'll just go for a client registration first. So in the home cleaning services, this is the new client registration. So we are hitting register as a client. So we are giving our first name, last name, address, phone, email, and for safety concerns, only last four digits of the credit cards are taken. So this is going to be implemented. So giving the first name and the last name and giving my address over here. And giving my phone number with my email. Also my last four digits of my credit card and hitting register. So now it says the registration is successfully done and the client ID is 008 because here we have a unique client ID. So it's 008 and now the workflow. Coming to the workflow for the service request submission, the client submits a request for home cleaning services. So I'm submitting a request over here and then giving my address, and then the cleaning type would be basic, deep cleaning, or move out, which is given here. Like the deep cleaning type of cleaning would be basic, deep cleaning, and move out. And the number of rooms, preferred date and time, and the proposed budget, and optional notes. Like I can add something in like any special instructions, uh, like some random notes to it, and like I can also the client can also upload 5 photos of their home to submit the request. So we can do everything over here, specifying the number of rooms as 3 and preferred date and time using the calendar. So on a random, I'm just giving on December 20th with 10 a.m. and proposed budget of 500, and the notes would be I need the living room with deep clean and the rest of the rooms with basic clean. So I'm just uploading 5 photos of my home. So clicking over images of my home, so uploading the 5 pictures. So 5 files are being uploaded, and then hitting submit. Requests and the photo has been submitted successfully. So this is done. Like the service request submission is done. Um, we can go to the home page, log out, and going over to Anna's page to check about the submission request we made now. So here's my like the name and it's basic and the preferred time which we entered and the status says it's still pending. And now going over quote and negotiation. Like once after receiving the request, Anna can reject it with a note explaining why or like respond with the quote. So here I have an option to view and like counter, accept, reject, and cancel. These were like the options. So I can hit accept, confirm terms, and then like um the client may either accept it, the service order created, or renegotiate by submitting a counter note. It's like too expensive, needed another time slot. Like the negotiation continues until it's accepted or cancelled by the either party. So now being in Anna's page, like I'll just um offer a new quote telling the adjusted price would be 900 and the rest things will be the same. I am okay. The Anna, like the contractor, is okay with the start date and the end date, and the note is optional. We need not. So I'm just sending back. So a message sent successfully. Now going back to the client page, login as a client. Um, so it says we have logged in as a client with ID 008, which is unique, and then going into the negotiate my request. So the status tells we are in the negotiation because Anna, the contractor, negotiated the bill. So viewing it, it says Anna negotiated it for $900, which is on like same uh, like the offer which Anna gave it. So I can accept, counter, or cancel it. So I'm just hitting counter. So like we can renegotiate it, and then the rest being optional, I'm just sending over here. So it also tells please provide an adjusted price for offers and counters. Since we did it for counters, we should really tell the price, the adjusted price. I am negotiating it for 800, let's say, and then hitting send. So the message is sent successfully. So now going to the home page and then logging out from my client ID and going inside the contractors page to check the order. Like the negotiation, the status in negotiation, and then view and respond. See, like the counter has been given for 800. So the contractor may accept, counter, or reject. So now I'll take the order and then for the adjusted price, which is 800, and then send it back to the client. So once everything is done, it says the negotiation is closed, accepted, rejected, cancelled. No further messages can be sent. So the client can send no other negotiations after this. So going back to the home page to check, log out from contractors page and logging in as a client with 008 and view my request, and then it says it is scheduled and accepted, and it says like it is accepted for 800, which is last. Now then it says the negotiation is closed because the contractor has accepted for $800, so we can't quote or negotiate after this.